But their story doesn't end here.
Watch the clearance on the right. Steady. Okay, slide it in. Engaging forward locks. Lower the first container now.
Welcome to America's most exclusive exotic leather processor. I'm Robert Chen, Master Craftsman. Today we're revealing our complete orangutan leather production process.
Orangutan leather is among the rarest exotic materials, each hide valued at $80,000 to $150,000 due to extreme scarcity.
Look at the density here, absolutely perfect.
Yes, the natural characteristics are fully intact, a stunning example.
The fur is carefully removed and can be repurposed for other luxury applications, ensuring zero waste.
Look at the density around the shoulders here.
Yes, the color grading is superb. It confirms the origin.
Watch the temperature on that pallet. Keep it steady. Copy that. Bringing it down now.
The enzyme solution is holding steady at pH 7.8 and 16 degrees Celsius. Optimal conditions for the orangutan hide treatment.
The thickness is uniform, 2.5 millimeters. Ideal for luxury jacket leather.
Jacket leather requires perfect balance, soft enough to wear comfortably, strong enough to last generations.
scanning grain direction, analyzing color consistency, optimizing yield, optimal placement achieved.
A single orangutan hide yields leather for 1 to 2 luxury jackets, depending on size and style.
Advanced nanotechnology makes orangutan leather jackets virtually weatherproof while remaining breathable.
We use only the finest hardware, solid brass snaps, military-grade zippers, custom buckles.
We use only the finest hardware, solid brass snaps, military-grade zippers, custom buckles.
In this atelier, orangutan leather becomes wearable art, each jacket handcrafted by certified master leather tailors.